This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making another Chai Png staple, potatoes and luncheon meat stir fry. Open a can of luncheon meat and cut it into cubes. If you find it difficult to release the luncheon meat from the can, give the sides a little squeeze to introduce some air into the can. Cut the luncheon meat into about 1 finger width size cubes. Next, peel the potatoes and cut them up into cubes about the size of the luncheon meat. Prepare the sauce by mixing together 3 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, and half a teaspoon of white pepper. In a hot pan over medium heat, fry the luncheon meat till they are lightly brown. There is no need to add oil to fry this luncheon meat, as the luncheon meat is already oily. Spread the luncheon meat out in one layer at the bottom of the pan. Give them about 1 minute to lightly brown before turning them over. When they are lightly brown on the other side as well, remove them and set aside. Next, fry the potatoes. Add some oil if necessary, and fry the potatoes till they are lightly brown as well. Toss the potatoes around to coat the potatoes in oil. When the potatoes are lightly brown, add 120 ml of water and the onions. Cover and let it cook till the water is almost dry and the potatoes are tender. Push the potatoes aside, add a little more oil if necessary, and fry the garlic for about 30 seconds till it's fragrant. Add in the luncheon meat. Pour in the prepared sauce, making sure that all the potatoes and the luncheon meat are coated. And we are done. This is potatoes and luncheon meat stir fry.